Okay guys, so today I'm gonna do a video on what I bought for the 4th of July. Okay, so here we have the Festival Fiesta. And you got a lot of cool stuff. You got a lot of cool stuff in here. I mean, a lot of cool stuff. The price is $89.99, and I bought 2 of them. And then I bought this one. I bought 2 of these too. The Reaping Rocket. These big ones that shoot up into the sky. Where's the other one? Oh, the other one's like in the closet. And I bought 3 of these 20 gram 16 shot orange souls. Yeah, other thing in there. So thanks for watching and have a good 4th of July.